Welcome to PreMath. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to find the value of this given series 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus all the way to 2 power 20. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let me go ahead and call this left hand side series ns. So therefore we can write this series s equal to this expression, and now we know that 2 power 0 is same as 1. As you can see in the next equation, I have replaced this 2 power 0 by 1 and the rest is same. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let me go ahead and multiply both sides of this equation by 2. I'm going to multiply this side by 2 and this side by 2 as well. So therefore the left hand side is going to be 2 times s equals to, when I multiply 2 times 1, that is going to give us 2, which is same as 2 power 1 plus 2 times 2 power 1 is going to give us 2 power 2 plus 2 times 2 power 2 is going to give us 2 power 3 plus all the way, and over here right before this term we're going to have a 2 power 19. 2 power 19 times 2 is going to give us 2 power 20 plus when I multiply 2 times 2 power 20, that is going to give us 2 power 21. Now let me go ahead and tweak the right hand side. I'm going to manipulate this one by adding 1, and at the same time I'm going to subtract 1 as well, so it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. And now I'm going to move this 1 all the way to the very front over here. As you can see in this next equation, I have moved this positive 1 all the way at the very front, and this negative 1 is still over here on the right hand side. And now let's make an observation. Let's look at this 1 plus 2 power 1 all the way to power 20, which is same as s from this equation 1. So therefore I am going to replace this part by s. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this part by s over here. And now let's go ahead and subtract s from both sides. We can see on the right hand side this s and minus s is gone. On the left hand side 2s minus s is going to give us s equal to 2 power 21 minus 1. And now we know that 2 power 21 is 2,097,152. So therefore 2 power 21 minus 1 is going to be, I'm going to subtract 1 from the right hand side, so that is going to give us 2,097,151. So thus our value of s turns out to be 2,097,151. And now we know that s equals to this whole series at the very first place. So therefore I'm going to replace this s by this whole string. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this s by this whole series, and this is the answer for this given series. So thus the value of this given series turns out to be 2,097,151. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.